In Arduino, the interrupt function allows the microcontroller to immediately pause its current task and execute a specific function, called an interrupt service routine (ISR), in response to an event such as a pin state change or timer expiration. This is achieved using the ADDIC interrupt function, which links an ISR to a pin and a trigger mode, for example, rising, falling, or change. Now we will see such example using a push button and an LED, but before that please remember to subscribe for more electronics projects. As you can see, interrupts are highly efficient for handling time-sensitive tasks like sensor inputs or button presses without continuously pulling in the main program. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also visit my website for the project.